MLMIC is a medical professional liability insurance company. We're currently using telecom solutions for replication for disaster recovery, video conferencing, and a wide area network between our 4 locations. Our relationship with Subsidium Technologies began with a phone call from Ed Dagenhart that resulted in a meeting. At that meeting, he said that he could be the single point of contact for all our telecom needs at no cost to us. This sounded too good to be true, but I decided to give him a chance anyway. And the results were a 75% savings on the first voice contract that he negotiated for us. As our relationship has expanded with Subsidium, cost savings have grown. As an example, recently we've expressed interest in SIP trunking, but we're not quite ready to do it yet. We also have a voice contract that was ready to term. Jenny was able to go and negotiate cost savings on a 1-year contract to give us time to sort out our needs for SIP trunking. When we had an outage prior to our relationship with Subsidium Technologies, it was very difficult to escalate a trouble ticket. Sometimes the outage would last 2 to 3 days. Now with Mike on the data side, I make 1 phone call, I get a quick response. Mike is able to escalate a ticket, and usually our service is back up within 2 to 3 hours. If you want cost savings, if you want your time back from having to negotiate contracts and services with telecom providers, if you want great customer service, trouble ticket escalation, I'd say without a doubt give them a chance.